Listen, guys, we live in a time now where it's dangerous to be a celebrity. It sounds all fun and games until you sign something, end up in a car crash that it flips and that's just super weird because maybe back then when you was younger, you ended up signing a contract with the devil, with these music industry people, and I'm on about the real devil. And yeah, things go sour essentially. But let me play this. This is Angie Stones. May her soul rest in peace. And yeah.
Dropped the last video that Angie Stone did just days before her untimely death. She discussed a good many things. But also, look, I am not a conspiracy theorist. However, I will say that Angie Stone in recent months has been divulging a lot of things that she's gone through in the industry. She's been divulging secrets as well about a lot of industry favorites. Someone in my comments brought it to my attention that she did discuss this in December about some things that the devil is after her, the enemy is after her, in which Angie Stone just came up with some sort of blood bacteria situation. And even prior to that, I did a video a couple years ago where Angie Stone even said that witchcraft has been done upon her, so this lady has been going through it over the years, and a lot of things she's kept to herself, and things have seemed to just fallen on deaf ears as well, so it is something to be said about the things that Angie Stone was stating, and the fact that it seemed as if Angie could have been blackballed out of the music industry as well. I mean, when BET doesn't call you, and we all know Angie Stone can sing, okay? When BET doesn't call you to do certain things and invite you to different events and things of that nature, you kind of have to wonder what is being done in the background. So y'all check out this video, and we're going to talk about it.
And y'all, it's been a minute. How y'all doing? Come on in. Where's my music at? Oh my God. Let me get my music going. Ashton here. Somebody take my, let me get right. I gotta always have that vibe to just let us know everything is good. How y'all been? Hey, it's been so long since we chopped it up, but I wanted to get on here for a few minutes just to bring y'all up to speed with what's going on. I'm actually getting ready to go and do CIAA, the game. I'll be there. Oh, and by the way, my team won. Philly won. Yeah. So I didn't get to say anything about it because I didn't want to ruffle no feathers up in here. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I am so excited for Philly. They did an amazing job. So I'm excited about it. I'm officially a fan now. Also, I'm going to be at the CIAA performing. You don't want to miss it. I'm also bringing product with me, hot sauce and coffee. Bam. I'm bringing this with me so you can buy your own when you get there. Hopefully we'll have a table set up. I'm going to be in Alabama on the 28th. I'll have product there as well. I'm super excited. We're booking tours and a lot of stuff is going on that I don't want to just let out the bag just yet. But you can see that there's a big grin on my face. There's a lot of things going on as far as film, television, tours, artists, songwriting. There's a lot of projects. All I'm going to say is we're getting back in the mix. And for all the people that have heard some of the craziest, you know what? I had to address this. Do I have enough people in the room yet?
Yeah, so Miss New Outlook says she will be there too, Soror.
All right, Sora. Listen, Sora, I got a surprise for my
This is sad
sorors.
watching something like this, you know?
So listen, I want all my sorors, Zeta Phi Beta, come on, Incorporated. I want y'all to know I'm coming with my stuffuses, so we got to represent, be in the house, okay? Now, I just have to address this because someone texted my phone the other day and said, let me find out Miss Angie Stone had an affair with a secret affair with Maurice White. Y'all, where they get this stuff from? OMG.
Yeah.
I mean, Maurice White, for real, y'all?
Yeah, I remember that.
I just have to show my nigga writers right now, okay? Y'all need to stop. Behave. stay in your lane. You're wrong. You're dead wrong. You're all the way out the back door wrong, okay? I need y'all to stop that. Y'all stop putting stuff out there. First they had me dead, then they had me alive again, then they had me with this one, then they had me with that one. Y'all make up your mind what you want me to be, what you want me to do. Come on. I need for y'all to just chill. Relax. Y'all see the atmosphere I'm in? This looks like a person who worried about that person or any other significant person you want me to be with. I understand. A lot of people just are not sure what I'm doing because I've been chilling. I've been just keeping it low key. But I have you to know I'm always being creative. I'm thinking, I'm working, I'm writing, I'm, doing something positive. I'm trying to always help, doing service work. I'm trying to give and give back. So, y'all got my music right?
I'm trying to get it.
Okay. But there it is. So for the most part, I kind of just want you guys to know I'm never just sitting still. I'm always on the move. I'm always doing something. As my career has progressed, over the years I've just learned so much about life and just endowing in so many areas that a lot of people just want to know just what it is I'm doing. One thing I can tell you for certain is I always keep my eye out for next, the new talent that's up and coming. And trust me, I see a lot. I mean, I have witnessed a lot of up and coming artists that are about to blow the lid off everything. But, yet again, I'm not done yet. I really am excited about, we're booking tours for this year and next year already. We have a tour that's scheduled to go out 2026 already, and I'm excited about that. 2025, we're just getting ready to hit the ground running. And for all the people that are not sure about what they want to do, people say, well, shoot, last time I saw she was sitting in a chair. Yes. I'm a human being. Sometimes my ankles hurt, my feet hurt, my back hurt. Sometimes I just want to sit down. There's nothing wrong with that. Now I see everybody pulling a chair up on stage and sitting there. Did I start something? I guess when you're a leader, people will follow. Yeah, that part. So people are starting to follow now because it's okay. You don't have to run across that stage for an hour and 30 minutes just like a track star.
I'm going to give my take at the end. I just don't want to keep pausing because whenever you pause the video, oh, you're pausing too much. Oh. When you don't, oh my days, he's not even reacting.
They got people that do
Can't
that
please
for real.
people.
I'm past that part, baby. I want to be able to relax and just do my songs. You come to hear my songs, sit your butt down with me and just enjoy it. You got it? Now, if I'm in a concert, if I'm in the audience and my boy Chris Brown, of course, gets on stage, I might run across the Coliseum here or the arena. I'll cut a sprint. That boy's bad. Okay? There's a lot of people just trying to, why they won't leave Chris Brown? They done got a challenge with residual. And I'm telling you, it's some people putting their foot in that song. Can I ask y'all this? Why y'all let that man have his song? Leave his song alone. He done already made it a hit. Y'all want to make it a hit too, again? But I guess, let me shut up, because you know what? Whoever wrote that, they getting paid. Every time y'all do that song, they getting more money, and more money. So shout out to Chris Brown. You did one, baby. That's one of my favorite songs this year. As a matter of fact, I thought it was the song of the year. I thought it should have been the song of the year, and
So I thought she was a Christian, but she's talking about the secular music that's one of her favorite songs, blah, blah, blah. So this is my first time running into Angie Stone, so I don't quite know her or anything she does, to be honest with you. But apparently from this video, she can sing. She's really good at it. She's in the industry. She knows all of these people. She's calling Chris Brown her boy, so, that's that. But so this is the part about Chris Brown is talking about. She spoke about Chris Brown.
I think y'all need to leave Chris Brown alone, for real.
She's saying positive things, not
way
negative.
Too much. He was a young man when he went through all the stuff he went through, and it happens. For the lack of a other word, it happens. Y'all got to learn to let it go. You feel me? Let this stuff just ride, man. I know some of y'all done seen your dad slap your mama around a couple of times. Ooh. Listen, it happens. It really does. And all I'm going to say is, once that young lady forgave that brother, and it's obvious they love each other, all I'm going to tell a female and a male, ladies, if you don't want to get fire slapped at you,
Oh my God.
do not put your hands on a man. Stop hitting. People hit back now. It's called a reflex. That's it. That's when you grab a nipple or a groin area, or, you know what I mean, hit somebody in the mouth. It's a reflex. You're going to get slapped. I want somebody to hit me. I'm going to knock all the fire out you if you hit me like that. I'm just messing around, y'all. I'm being very transparent right now because I hate how they pick on Chris Brown. I really hate how they doing R. Kelly too. I'm going to shut my mouth because everybody say, I'm not. I'm just a person with a heart, and I believe that if we forgive, as God has forgiven us over and over and over, we will find that we are better people. And I think I just want people to search within themselves to have a forgiving spirit. And I'm not saying that to pardon what they've done, because when you're wrong, you're wrong. You should be punished. But then you have to ask yourself, when they learned their lesson, and how did they get there? What brought them to this point? Something had to happen to cause that dysfunction. You feel me? Something had to happen to cause that dysfunction. My team is looking like they want to say something to me. What is it, baby?
Actress Tracy says that she's the lady that picked you up in her Hummer and she took you to get your nails done and eat barbecue in Orlando when you were doing a play, and she wants me to send you her love.
Hey, darling, how are you? And thank you so much. Listen, you still down there on Orlando, and is that barbecue still good? I'm sure it is. Anyway, good to hear from you. Happy New Year and all that good stuff. Hopefully we'll run into each other again. But let me just say openly, thank you.
You got Kobe Carter says, Angie, you are still gorgeous.
Oh, Kobe. Don't make me blush. Thank you, Kobe.
Styling Boss 2022 says, Angie Stone, hello and much love.
Hey, Styling Boss, listen, it's so many people think I'm so ugly. And it's cute because I know my heart is beautiful. And so for the people that show me that genuine love, I'm glad you don't judge a book by the cover, but you look at the inside of a person. I would want to think that everybody knows my heart and my spirit is genuine. So I thank all of you for all the love and support.
Amani, it's me, wants to know, she says, Miss Queen, can I be a background singer for you?
Hey, Miss Queen, not Miss Queen, Sugar Wooker. Listen, I got to hear you sing first. I don't see why not. I'm always looking for people to do great things. And oh, by the way, that brings me to this point. I'm going to be debuting my House of Flav in a few minutes. Not tonight, but it's on the way. We had to come around a whole nother back door just to try to let you guys see that we are about that life, about exposing and helping young people that want to be seen, heard, and viewed as an artist or a star. We're about to make that happen right here on my channel. So I want y'all to keep it locked and tuned in. Whenever y'all hear that ding dong, subscribe, because I'm on YouTube as well. Subscribe and you'll be surprised at what you're going to find.
Okay, we got a lot of requests in the chat to join and go live with you. I don't think we're doing lives with singers today.
They want to go live today?
They want to go live with you today.
Come on,
y'all trying to sing for us? Is that, let me see, we got T. Cruikshank, Teresa.
T. Cruikshank, okay.
And then Sharon Christian and Nicole. Are y'all trying to sing today?
It's just sad watching this, honestly speaking, that this is how the industry pays you back. I want to see.
Sometimes I thank you to all of my...
Yeah, this is how the industry pays you back. It's extremely dangerous to be a celebrity. I'm telling you that right now. If you want to be a celebrity, you need to be careful because you might end up signing your name in blood and locked up in a dark room worshipping a certain goat by the name of Baphomet. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. What stood out to me is that she was the only one who died in the oh, I didn't even know that. So she was the only one who died in a collision? Which eerily reminiscent of the demise of Lisa Left Eye Lopez. I believe it was a celebrity who the same thing happened as well. See, a lot of these people, you be rolling and chilling with people you think are your friends, and they're showing you teeth, not knowing those teeth are to bite down at any opportunity to take you out. You know, that was a bar right there. That was bars. But yeah, so never been ugly, never. This can't be real. I can't believe she's gone. Yeah, as I said, I barely knew her, but this is just showing you the reality of what's going on, you see. My boyfriend sold his soul. Wow, what a title. For who? Guys, wickedness has taken over. I'm telling you that right now. But yeah. Yeah, maybe you might check out that video because it's just crazy, but yeah. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts in regards to this situation. May her soul rest in peace. My prayers goes out to her family. But the industry, the industry, that's all I have to say. The industry.